Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque accuses Justice Secretary Boying Remulla of lying about his alleged multiple passports. Roque tells Billionaire News Channel's Agenda this is simply part of what he claims are concerted efforts to tarnish his image. Roque insists he is only using one regular passport.
Ito di umano yung aking pangalawang passport daw. Kung makikita nyo po, may butas. Kasi kanselado na po ito. At kaya po ito kanselado, although it is valid until 2029, kasi wala na pong pahinang bakante. So napuno na po ito, kaya kumuha ko ng bagong passport. At kapag naman binilagyan ng ganitong butas ang passport, ibig sabihin, hindi na siya valido. No? Pero ito ay importante pa rin dahil dito nakalagay yung aking Schengen visa, yung aking Japanese visa at iba pang mga visa. No? So, hawak-hawak ko pa rin to.
Roque also downplays the request for an Interpol red notice against him. He says a red notice will only take effect if he crossed international borders.
Dahil kinuha nga ng Dutch authorities sa aking passport, hindi naman ako makakaalis ng Schengen area. No? So dito lang ako sa Schengen, so miski maglagay sila ng red notice sa alert sa akin, wala namang posibilidad na ma-serve sa akin yan. Wala pong saysay yan. Drama lang po yan para siguro masabi nilang may ginagawa sila. Pero bring it on, I will face them at tingnan natin kung sino mananaig.
Roque also dismissed claims he has a mole in the DOJ.
Hindi ko na po kailangan ng mole. Dahil alam na alam ko po ang aking international law. 25 taon ko pong tinuro yan at pinractice. At pasensya na lang po sila na mas may kaunti pa akong alam sa international law kaysa sa kanila.
Roque is currently seeking political asylum in the Netherlands. He faces an arrest warrant here in the Philippines for alleged qualified human trafficking in relation to a pogo in Pampanga.